Good day, Safely partners, and thanks for making the stop here with us today on edition 16 of Work Truck 360. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle here at Safely, and it's that time of year. We're less than 30 days away from the 2019 NTEA Work Truck Show being held in awesome Indianapolis, Indiana. The Work Truck Show is our show. It's where we show you all of our great products, the products that you're so eager to get in the hands of your customers and those fleets. We hope you see that product. Keep in mind also our new acquisition of RollRight pull tarps are also going to have their booth there. So make a stop over there as well. Need a registration form or a pass to the show? Reach out to one of our salespeople or our marketing teams at American Van, RollRight, or the Prime Design Work Truck team. They will help as well. Most importantly, take advantage of all those activities that are going on, possibly even some of those continuous education courses that are available there as well. We want to show you the latest, greatest products, why we're the industry leader in everything that we do in our company today. So I look forward to seeing you in Indy. Remember, March 5th through 8th, be there, be a part of the excitement. And thanks for your business. Have a super day.